What exactly is physics? First, and most importantly, you know more physics than you realize. Physics is the original science. All other sciences come from physics. Physics is the study of how the universe and nature works. The language of physics is mathematics. The goal of physics is to get all of physics into one simple mathematical equation that will fit on the front of a t-shirt and be able to be read from a distance. A great deal of physics can be understood on the qualitative level long before it is understood more clearly on the quantitative level. That is, you do not need math to know that you get a funny feeling in your stomach when you're on a roller coaster, but math can define what you feel. You do not need math to know that you should put something down quickly when you pick up something that's really hot, but math can define the entire process. You do not need math to know that loud noises hurt your ears, but the entire process can be measured and defined with math. You do not need math to understand the beauty of a flower or to appreciate the scent that it produces, but math can clearly define the flower, its pleasant odor, and even the colors that you can't see, but that the bee can. This series is designed to help you understand physics on the conceptual level first, and then to get you ready for the math. Every attempt here will be to keep the math to a minimum. We will, however, measure things qualitatively. For example, we will feel that one thing is heavier than another, and we will see that one thing is faster than another. We will experience the quality of things more than the quantity or the math of things. You already know about measuring things. Perhaps you know how much you weigh, or how tall you are, or what shoe size you wear, or what your normal body temperature is. Perhaps you can read music, or know how fast you can run or swim some distance. All of this is the practical application of physics. Driving a nail or a car is physics. Ripping a piece of paper is physics. Cooking an egg is physics. Brewing coffee is physics. Making butter is physics. Smearing butter is physics. And so is melting it to put on popcorn. And you guessed it, popcorn is physics too. Making an observation is physics. Reasoning it out and then doing an experiment, well, that's science. But back to the original question, what is physics? Physics is how the universe and nature work. Physics is the study and definition of how the natural world around us works. Physics is the smallest thing inside of an atom to the largest thing, which is the known universe, and physics is everything in between. Our focus will be on the physics of everyday things and the practical application of them. Almost everything that you can think of, and even some that you can't, is physics. Ghosts, however, are not physics, because they're not science. Ghosts are not science because we can't go get one and do an experiment on it and then draw a reasonable conclusion. But thinking about ghosts, that's physics. Thinking is physics. Fire is physics. Water is physics. Tasting is physics. Being is physics. Physics is how an automobile goes down the road and then how it stops. Physics is how a magnet works. Physics is how a knife cuts. Physics is how you walk. Physics is how an ice skater glides. Physics is how your body works. Physics is how. And how it is that this physics channel works is like this. Short videos will be posted on a regular basis. Each will prepare the student for the hands-on lab. In the description below the YouTube video, there will be a download link for the lab manual specific to the lab. You are welcome and encouraged to post your thoughts and comments below the video so that others can learn from your experiences too. Please subscribe and click on the little bell to get notifications each time a new video is posted. You can reach me at Colonel.Allen.M.Morris at gmail.com. That's Colonel.Allen.M.Morris at gmail.com.